I feel like walking down this weird alley. Oh my God, what's that? Dead people. They're both dead.
What the heck are you doing, kid?
I thought you guys were dead.
Nope, we're robbing this house.
Robbing a house? Why would you want to rob a house?
Is this your house?
Yes.
Well, we're robbing it, bro.
If you rob it, I'll call the cops.
You can't. We cut all the phone lines.
I got my cell phone.
We cut that.
How could you cut a cell phone?
Cut the chip.
What chip?
The chip in your cell phone.
No. You guys are gonna get it.
Let's get the chip. Ow!
They're gonna hurt me. Gonna hurt you. Hey, this is a $200 rake. Battle of the Gardeners.
Eat the raffle.
Oh. Oh, my hip. I'll shoot you.
A stupid squirt gun, kid.
Look at the cute doggy. Hey,
Dang
look.
it, it's stuck.
What is that, the ring of death?